Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be recreating Dorothy from Wicked for Good on Draw to Impress. This is that version. So let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments. Just don't look at the back. Select this hair and I colored it this and this color. Then for the bow, I use 9B9 BCB. Position the Y 0.16, Z 0.52, rotated the X to 0.52 and scale it to 0.21. Then I use this hair in that same color, the bow as well. Position, actually the bow is this color, this is the right one, 657884. Position the Y to 0.52, scale it to 0.37, grab this hair in the same color in no bangs and no adjustments needed. For the outfit, yes, I did use something VIP. I use this, but you can opt for something else if you'd like to change it. I'm just going to color the first color white and then the rest in this pattern. And we are also going to take the big sleeves as well that are out here in that same color. Then we're going to go to the changing rooms and we're going to grab this skirt in this color and in white. And then we're going to also grab the swimming suit here, just to kind of add more texture to it, and all the same color like this. For the shoes, obviously it's a no-brainer. We're just going to use the one that Wicked has, so this one. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Also, if you want, you can carry a basket around. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.